My name is Hrach Gevrikyan, founder of Velo Pasadena bicycle shop, and we serve the community with the cycling needs. I was supposed to be a gymnast, to be honest with you, but my brother started with the cycling. I was like 12 years old and I loved the bike, and instead of going gymnast training, I ended up skipping that, going to cycling club, and I loved it. I raced in Armenia almost 8-9 years before we moved to USA. When I was in New York City, I got lucky. Went to one day ride in the Central Park, met Fred Majoni. He's been one of my mentors. He said, okay, there is a bike, there's a race in a few weeks, I want you to do it. And I'm thinking myself, what can I do in 2 weeks, But I did it, and that was like opening a cycling career for me. 1981 Course Classic, which was one of the biggest stage races in the United States. The team who I was racing for was Santa Barbara Cycling Club. This is why I had to move from New York to Santa Barbara, but unfortunately, bad knees didn't let me to continue. That's where the team director told me, all right, if you can't race, you have to work for me. And so I started working in a bike shop, and it looks like I'm gonna end up with a bicycle shop one day. It was my dream, and which came true. In 1988, with my wife, we opened up Velo Pasadena bicycle shop. The beauty about owning the bike shops, it's the customers. When they come, they want to see you. They love to spend the time with you. It's all about kind of customer service you give to people, and find a way how you could make people come to your shop. Find a way which makes you special. People, they want to ride a bike with you. It gives the people opportunity to go out there, ride a bike, stay healthy. It's educational for them too, because with your knowledge, your experience, you help them out. And this is where we are very strong. And my family rides bike. My son rides the bike. My wife rides the bike. We ride bikes together. People fly from everywhere just because they want to see what we have. We have one of the best cycling collection, and our consideration mostly was in a racing bike versus very old bikes. Sometimes I'll come and sit down, I just look around, and that makes me feel good. We find so many nice people around us, not just think about the personal life, they also work with us. Raising money, we find the communities, they need our help. Like with Armenia went through without a war, and they need help, and we were there for them. A lot of young kids out there have nothing to do. We've got a lot of kids up the street and being a part of the school, and that makes us feel good, because I think if there's somebody needs help, people should help. And one thing we believe in our life, if you want to get something, you got to give something. And I think we got that.